welcome back to my channel. This is Sanam Prasad and you are watching The Absolute Rider. So guys, today we are doing the modification of part 2, and I had ordered this Bolt DB visor from Bangalore Pit Stop. I hope everyone will be knowing what is Bangalore Pit Stop. It's actually a bike accessories word where you get each and every part for bikes. It is located in Kerala, Thrissur. Last week they had 80% off on this combo, this and a black color winglet. So if you want to buy this offline, then you need to spend about 3 to 3.5k, but here I got it for 1300 without shipping, and you can see the quality of this. And this will be replaced by this one. Today we are going to JC Road, and we will see what happens. We will first get this fit, and then we will go to JC Road and fit the tail tidy of R15 V3. So guys, stay tuned. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and don't forget to press the bell icon guys. Thank you. Take care. guys, we are back from JC Road and the modification is ready now. As you can see, everything is done almost except the frame sliders. And as I told you in the starting that winglet and the visor was already bought from online. We got installed the hazard switch light, and then the Outlaw tail tidy. It's called as Outlaw tail tidy, guys, as you have seen in the online. And as this is a foldable tail tidy, you can adjust this till here. But right now it's fixed and wiring has done, so I don't want to fold this right now because I'm scared of wiring problem. He has fixed it here, so I don't want to mess it up. So I think you like this tail tidy. People say that gold DB visor doesn't look good on R15 compared to only DB visor, but I say that it looks completely unique from the stock V3 which showroom provides. I will show you the power of the indicators right now. So this is the single side, and this tail tidy also has the blue LED light. Now switch on the hazard light. So guys, you can see the brightness. In the night time it will be more bright compared to this. I hope you liked my choice, guys.